Great option for wahoo fishing is a double hook rig with a ballyhoo and an islander out front. We're going to show you exactly how to make this great wahoo rig.
All right, what we'll do is we take the ballyhoo, we flip him upside down or up on his belly, and I scale the back. I just take the scales right off. It's easier to fillet down the backside when I put the double hook rig. And then once I do that, I'm going to go right down the backbone here. So then we'll take the knife, go right pretty much in the middle, and you go right down the backbone. You kind of hear it going down, go right on down. Try to keep it in the center as much as you possibly can. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the double hook in. I take the eye of the hook, which is going to go right over the eye of the ballyhoo. So I'm going to line it up perfectly here to where I'm going to see where the hook's going to go in. So once I line it up, I'll take the hook, the very first hook, and I'll try to get it right to the center of the ballyhoo, and I'll just poke it right through. Once I get it poked through it just a little bit, you'll see where it's coming through here. I take the second hook, and I'll poke that guy through. And once I get it through where he's just sticking through there, I'll take this guy here and line it up. Once I get it like so, I take it's a little heavier Monel that I use, so it goes through the eyes, and I poke it through. That holds it, and you center it right on the head. And then I'll take it and go right over the back of the hook, and go right through the eyes again. Poke it through. Come on, baby. There we go. Cinch it down, and then once I do that a few times, then I go around the head, down around. I work my way down the mouth. Right to the bottom of the mouth. I use a little bit longer wire also because you're using so much space in this area. And again, once I get to that point, I break the beak off. And I have my double hook rig here. Everything's pretty much right inside the ballyhoo. I slide the islander right over the nose of that bad boy. And there you got a beautiful double hook rig ballyhoo. I use a number 12 wire. I use the Mustad 3407 SS 10-0 hooks on a select or a horse ballyhoo. And that's one bad to the bone wahoo killer right there.